Welcome back to Tasty Tailgating, and today we are going to take something special. So a little bit of pork, a little bit of ground beef, a little egg, and we're going to mix it all together and make a barnyard burger. Let me show you how. So I do have some pork sausage here and I have some ground beef. We're gonna mix these in a bowl and mix them together. Once mixed, we're gonna start pattying them up. So you're gonna take your baby bells and open them up and get these ready. Delicious. Let's lay it over here until we get them all opened. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take our little baby bell cheese and we are gonna smush it into our patty. Smush. Then we have some jalapeños cut up. We're gonna lay that around. Take some blackened steak seasoning made by Blackstone and put it all on a plate. Get the fine china out for this. Take your burgers and roll them, coating all the side edges. Now that we have these ready to go, let's start cooking them. Let's season these with the whiskey burger made by Blackstone. Let's toast some buns. We're gonna put down some butter. And then I have the keto hamburger buns. Get these toasting. I have some keto homemade steak sauce. If you're interested in this recipe, comment below and I will share that with you. But I'm just gonna take a little bit and coat our burgers. Let's start cooking our eggs. Burgers are done. I feel that I've tailgated like a champion today. Let's dish them up. It looks messy, it looks delicious. Let's give it a try and don't forget to griddle like a champion. I'll see you guys next week. The seasoning around the edge sets this off. You're gonna have to really try your own barnyard burger. See you guys next week.